Hello everyone and welcome to this Beatles series robotic vacuum cleaner. This is the ILIFE V4 robotic vacuum cleaner with smart auto cleaning remote for pet hair. And here's a quick look at the box, the packaging material. And you will get a couple of booklets here, including a warranty card to register the product, and a very readable and straightforward owner's manual. Excellent job on this. Definitely will want to take a look at that. And a complimentary set of batteries. You may want to load those up right away because you'll need the remote control to operate the ILIFE V4. You can set the clock and the timer pretty simply, pretty easily. The unit itself is made of lightweight but durable plastic. See, there is no rotary brush, just a opening that collects dirt, a couple of bristles, a sensor in front. We'll get a charging mount. You'll want to find an open area in your house where this will be a permanent fix. Couple of replacement brushes and a cleaning brush, keep that handy, and an AC power supply for your charging mount. And just simply find an open space in the area, hopefully one that has a plug nearby. And I just peeled off the plastic here and turned on the power supply located in the bottom right hand corner off screen there, and charged it overnight like the manual said to do. You can tell it's charging from the blinking yellow light. And then the next morning there was no light blinking, so it was charged, and I pressed a couple of buttons. I pressed the home button, pressed the play button, pressed the home button, and pressed the up button by accident, and then I pressed the play button again, and it just started going. And almost to my surprise, without any instructions, without any Wi-Fi code, without any special algorithms, except whatever comes pre-programmed, just started to clean the house and go right up to the edges and bump into the edges and turn. And much to my surprise, it didn't really get stuck. It can get stuck. It will get stuck occasionally, but it does a surprisingly good job, I think, of getting around obstacles, getting over small saddles, even getting over a larger saddle like this. I thought it would get stuck, but it just seems to know to turn sideways like a skater. Just go right up to the edge of things and just continue to methodically work its way around the edges of rooms, bumps into obstacles, turns around, enters bedrooms, exits bedrooms. It's low profile, makes it good to get under things like open dishwashers and even little unplanned obstacles like drop spoons are not a problem. Dog toys left out, just kind of pushes out of the way and keeps going about its business. Even tripods, which I thought would be a no-no. Just seems to know how to get around. So even whatever business you got going on in your house, whatever stuff, even half-assembled bike equipment is not an issue. Just up and around, out and about. And while it's not really to replace heavy-duty cleaning or deep cleaning, for everyday cleaning, even run it twice a day, especially if you have pets. It's great for maintenance. My dog's not especially a fan, and then it's even good for getting in places that maybe you really don't normally get to yourself, or even can't get to, like under the bed and in far corners. So I don't think it's not going to replace your upright vacuum, but as a maintenance vacuum, it's very good. And once it's done cleaning, it starts to move very slowly until it mounts with its charger again. And it takes about 3 hours to charge. You can see it's charging by the flashing yellow light. Alright, so that was a satisfactory, good first run. So yeah, I picked up a good amount of dirt. We didn't wash it, we just tapped it out. We turned it back. It's going to conclude part 1 of our video. I'm going to take it downstairs and see how it does in the laundry area and in the band room, and watch for part 2 of this ILIFE robot vacuum video. Okay everyone, thanks for watching.